I got your runaway smile in my piggy bank, baby. Gonna cash it right in for a new Mercedes. You were worth 100,000 miles, but you couldn't stay a while. I got you.
What's up, guys? This is Dan here. I'm gonna show you how to download our ringtones. Now, if you go to our page, you will see a lovely link on there. There's actually two links. One to download Mexico, and another one to download Don't Worry. You click on the link here, and it takes you to the Mixer site, which is where we created our ringtones at. You fill in your number here, and you click Send It to My Phone. Now, if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. It only takes maybe a minute to create a Mixer account, and it's free and everything. Then it sends it to your phone, and in order to set it as your ringtone, you have to okay, so you get a text message. Once it's been sent, you get a text message, and on it, it's from Mixer. It says to download your ringtone. You can't see that. It says to download your ringtone, please follow this link on your phone. There's a little link there. Now you go to your options. Well, I go to my options here, and there's a go-to option on my phone. It takes you to the web, so I think you have to have web on your phone in order to do it. If you don't have web, I think you can download it from the website here, and then send it to your phone, like via Bluetooth or whatever, email maybe. And then yeah, you should. Just send it to your phone, and voila. See that? Mexico. And voila. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us a message on MySpace. Thanks a lot. What you're about to witness is everyday people, just like you, getting their free ringtones.
Oh, your greatest mistake. I've been with those guys. Okay. I want to get. Send it to my phone. Oh, and I already have an account.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so excited to get this ringtone. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Oh. Don't worry, to download, follow this link on your phone. Options. See it again. Options. Go. Connect. Connecting. Download ringtone. Continue. Download in progress. Success.
see how much you love your greatest mistake.
I love your greatest mistake. Yay! I got the ringtone.
And there you go, folks.